Hi students, how are you? A fresh morning to all of you. Okay, see we have already completed the first exercise. Today we will do the second exercise. You have to write down the steps by step procedure. So shall we start? Okay, write the steps for each of the following tasks to be done in MS Word 2010. So the first question is inserting word art in a document. You have to write down how you can insert a word art in a document. I am reading out the answer for you. See, to insert word art in a word file means your document. You simply open it. You open your Word document. Then click where you want to insert word art. Once, if your Word document is open, wherever you want to insert the word art, you click on that place. Go to Insert tab. The first step is you have to go to Insert tab. Click on the word art arrow. The word art gallery is displayed. Once you go to Insert tab, after that you see where the word art is there. You click on the word art arrow, then the word art, all the gallery, the style will, all the word art style will display. Select the word art style. Which word art style you want to insert, that style you select. The drawing tools appear. They are used to make changes to the word art inserted. Once, if you have selected the style, even the drawing tools will display there what you will do. If you want to change the style of word art, you can able to make changes from the drawing tools. Then after that, type the text. Whatever you want to write, you type. Even you can edit word art to suit your needs by going to the Home tab. In the font group, you can select the font, style, size, and you can also do bold and italic. So these are the steps how you can insert a word art in your Word file or Word document. So see, is it clear? Can you see all the steps? Okay, fine. You can even write by your own steps. Now come to the second one. Inserting a picture of a tree from the clip art gallery. The clip art gallery, from there you have to insert a picture of a tree. So just I am erasing. Let's see the next answer. Students, now come to the second question. Okay. Inserting a picture of a tree from the clip art gallery. What are the steps how you can insert a picture of a tree? From where? From clip art. Okay, clip art gallery. Now let's see the answer. To insert a picture of a tree from the clip art gallery, follow these steps. The first step is click where you want to insert a clip art. Click where you want to insert a clip art. Second is click on the Insert tab. In MS Word, where you want to insert the clip art, you click there. Then after that you go to where? Insert tab. Click on clip art in the illustration group. From there, from Insert tab in the illustration group, you click on the what? Clip art. A clip art gallery opens. Then after that, what will happen? The clip art gallery will open. Type tree in the search for box and click on go. You have to type tree in the search box. Okay. You have to type tree in the search box and you click on go. After that, the clip art gallery shows all the available clip art. Click on the chosen clip art, the clip art gets inserted. Then when you have finished using the clip art gallery, click on its close button. Hope so you have understood. Can you see all the steps? Okay. You have to click where you want to insert the clip art. Then you go to the Insert tab. Then you click on the, from illustration group, you click clip art. Then in the clipart gallery, the search box will be there. You type tree, and when you type tree and click on go, all the available clipart regarding to the tree will show. Whichever you want, you click on that, double click, then it will be inserted on your MS Word. Or you can do on the clipart right click, and one option will come insert. Then the clipart tree will be inserted in your MS Word. So now let's see the third one. Inserting an audio clipart from a file into your document. This one, before giving the answer, I will explain you about this. How you can insert a clipart from a file menu. In my next class, I will explain about it and I will give you the answer. Okay students, thank you for listening my online class. All of you take care and be safe at home. Have a nice day. Bye.